So this is the species of elephant ear that we had on the bog filter last year that grew like, I don't know, 10 feet. If you looked at other videos on that bog filter, you can see what these plants look like. And I only got this at Lowe's. The one I got last year was also from Lowe's. The one that I like has a purplish stem like this. You can see the veinings are purple. I'm not sure what species of elephant ear this is, but if you do know, please let me know, because I really like this one. It grows quite big. I tried to winterize it last year, the one that we had in the bog filter, because that was giant. I think the bulb is turned to this size, but I was very unsuccessful at it. So we're gonna try planting this, and then maybe we can better winterize this plant so that we can reuse it for next year. But this is what it looks like. So this is gonna be the main plant on that bog filter, and you can see how small it is now, and you'll see that this is gonna turn into giant. You can see the roots already. It has a lot of roots, so it sucks up a lot of nutrients. So I'm gonna transplant that on that pot, and then we're gonna put it on the barrel. Put some landscaping fabrics in here so that covers up some of those larger holes. And then on top of that, we're gonna put some planting media. Let's see what this looks like. Cut it from that pot. And all those root balls. I'm gonna keep all those roots intact because we want to encourage more root growing so that it sucks up as much of the nutrients from the water. So we're going to encourage that. And we're going to go ahead and put some plant media. Okay, that should be good. There's some space over here. I'm going to put some rocks in there, lava rocks, to prevent some of these media from floating around.
Our elephant ears are on the bog filter. When we first bought it, there was only like a couple leaves, but now there's a lot. And it doubled in size and height. Hey guys, it's me, Jessnice, and today is August 13th, and look at our elephant ears. They're humongous. It's almost up to our roof.